Your Wi-Fi works perfectly in one room, but just a few steps away, everything slows down. Videos start buffering, Zoom calls freeze, games lag. So, should you buy a cheap Wi-Fi extender? Or spend more on a Mesh Wi-Fi system? Here's the surprising part. The wrong choice can actually make your internet feel slower than before. In this video, you'll discover how each system really works, the biggest mistakes most people make, and exactly which one is worth your money. Let's get started. Before comparing these devices, let's understand the real problem. Your Wi-Fi router sends radio signals in every direction, but those signals become weaker every time they pass through walls, floors, furniture, mirrors, even large appliances. The farther you move from your router, the weaker the signal becomes. That's why your bedroom may have only one Wi-Fi bar, even though your living room has full signal. Many people think they simply need a stronger router. Sometimes that's true. But in many homes, the real solution is extending the network correctly. And that's where Wi-Fi extenders and Mesh Wi-Fi come in. Although both improve coverage, they do it in completely different ways. Think of a Wi-Fi extender like an echo. It listens to your router, then repeats the same signal farther into your home. Sounds simple, but there's a catch. Most traditional extenders use the same wireless connection to receive data and send it again. Imagine one person trying to listen and speak at exactly the same time. That takes extra time. As a result, many extenders can reduce your available Wi-Fi speed. Another thing to know, many older extenders create a second Wi-Fi name. For example, your home Wi-Fi becomes your home Wi-Fi.ext. When you walk around your house, your phone may stay connected to the weaker network instead of switching automatically. That often causes dropped video calls, slow downloads, and annoying interruptions. But don't rule them out just yet. In the right situation, they can still be an excellent value. We'll come back to that shortly. Before choosing either option, there's one feature many people completely overlook, and it can double the performance of an extender. We'll explain that in just a moment. Now let's look at Mesh Wi-Fi. Instead of one router, a mesh system uses multiple devices called nodes. These nodes work together as one intelligent network. Every node shares the same Wi-Fi name, the same password, and constantly communicates with the others. That means, as you walk through your home, your phone automatically connects to the strongest nearby node. You don't notice anything. No reconnecting, no switching Wi-Fi names, no interruptions. Imagine walking from your living room to your kitchen, then upstairs, while watching a 4K video. With a properly placed mesh system, the video keeps playing smoothly. That's one of the biggest reasons families love Mesh Wi-Fi, especially if several people are online at the same time. Here's something many buyers never hear. Not all extenders perform the same. If you can connect your extender to your router using an Ethernet cable and configure it as an access point, or use a compatible mesh mode, performance improves dramatically. Why? Because the extender no longer has to receive data and retransmit it over the same wireless connection. Instead, the Ethernet cable carries the data, allowing the extender to focus entirely on providing strong Wi-Fi coverage. The result? Better speed, lower latency, more stable connections. If running an Ethernet cable is possible, this can be one of the best budget upgrades you can make. A Wi-Fi extender is usually the smarter choice if you only have one weak room. Your home isn't very large. You're trying to save money. Most of your devices stay in one place. Maybe it's just a desktop computer, a smart TV, or a security camera. In those situations, a good extender can solve the problem without replacing your entire network. Sometimes, spending more simply isn't necessary. Mesh Wi-Fi is usually worth the investment if your home has multiple dead zones. You have 2 or more floors. Many people use the internet at once. You own lots of smart home devices. Or you're planning to upgrade your internet speed in the future. Mesh systems are designed to grow, Need more coverage? Simply add another node. No complicated setup. No separate Wi-Fi names. Everything works together automatically. For larger homes, that's a huge advantage. So, which one should you buy? Choose a Wi-Fi extender if you only need to fix one dead zone. You're on a budget. Your devices rarely move. Choose Mesh Wi-Fi if you want whole home coverage. You have multiple weak areas. You want the smoothest experience. You're planning for future upgrades. There isn't one perfect answer. The best choice depends on your home, your budget, and how you actually use your internet. Hopefully, this comparison helped you decide which solution fits your home. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and let us know in the comments, are you using a Wi-Fi extender or a Mesh Wi-Fi system? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.